What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Shannon's Garage Australia YouTube channel. Alrighty, so on today's episode, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of, what's traveling, what's going on behind me and all that kind of jazz with all the cars. We're taking delivery today too of another car. Something a bit different. I'm hoping that you guys actually like this. I'm a BMW guy through and through, and you guys know this. But this thing's popped up. I couldn't say no to it. So, yeah, look, should be here any minute now. I will record it on the back of the truck, and then I'll give you the guide over the car. But for now, let's get into these things. I'll tell you what's going on, where we're at with them, and then we'll go from there. All right, so the little E46 318i. Still got the tarp over the top of it. Haven't had a chance to get back into this thing yet. We did get all the water out and the interior is half stripped. This thing still has wicked hail damage, which I have to get to and get all cleaned up and, finished off. This will be a great little car for somebody once it's done, because other than the hail damage on the roof and the boot lid and the bonnet, the body on this thing is absolutely amazing. It's got coilovers now. It's got those really nice 17s. And look at it. Stance-wise, it's nice. The overall look of the car is beautiful. So, fingers crossed, hopefully we'll get back into this thing shortly. But yeah, for now, she's on pause. All right, the other little 318i E46. Now, this thing is running. The old boy and I, we got this thing running. It drives absolutely beautifully. It does have a dent in the front of the bonnet there. And because it's been sitting out in the sun and all the rest of it, as you can see, she's starting to get a bit of paint peel and all that kind of stuff on the roof and on the bonnet and on the boot lid. So this thing I'm going to two-tone. I'm going to do the bonnet black, roof black, boot lid black, and then throw some coilovers and a really nice set of wheels that I have for this thing as well. And this thing will be up for sale. But interior-wise, it's great. Body-wise, it's pretty straight. It just needs, again, a really good go-over and a tidy-up. All right, the 1998 E39 535i. Now, as you've seen in one of the other videos, the old boy and I were working on it in the background. The new radiator arrived yesterday, so all I've got left to do really for this thing to put it on the market for sale is put the new radiator in it, get rid of that water leak, give it a really good wash, polish, give the interior a good go over. Maybe put the lowered springs that I've got for this as well in the front to give it a bit better stance. I am going to change out the Style 66s. And yeah, we'll get this thing up for sale as well. Good little car. The V8's quite strong. It's only got 200,000 Ks on it. Needs good headlight clean, as you can see, but it's going to be a great little car. All right, well, everybody that's been a fan of my channel for a while already knows what this is. This is my AC Schnitzer S5 E39. Now, yeah, look, I've got a new body for this thing because this body on this is shot. The whole arse end is completely rusted out now, and it's only getting worse with sitting here. It's sad to see this thing rotting away, but I will get to it. I can't do it just yet. I've got too many other cars lined up, as you guys can see. But, the motor's still strong. Interior-wise, it's still immaculate. It's just a matter of, getting this body right. Like most of these cars, they just need body work and then they'll be good to go. So, I'll get to it eventually, boys. I'll get to it eventually. All right, well, the sun's just come out, finally. And, look, you all know this car. You would have seen it in the last episode, so I won't talk about it too much. It is on the back burner at the moment, but you know the car already. All right, well, the other car's arrived. As you just saw. It is on the back of the tool tray. I've just given it a quick wash now. I won't show you me washing the car, of course, but you already know what it is. So it's a 2009 C300 Mercedes-Benz. W204 is the model. Now, this thing has a full whaled body kit on it, custom bonnet, 20-inch coil wheels, only 108,000 Ks on the clock. She's a stunning little girl. Let me turn the camera around and give you a look. So what do you think? What should I do with this car? Should I on-sell it? Keep it as my new daily? Replace the old 5 Series? Tough question, boys and girls. Tough question. Now, you know I'm a BMW guy. I love my BMWs. But, come on. Look at that thing. Damn, that is a sexy looking ride. Anyway. I don't know. Guys, comment below. Let me know what you want me to do with the car. Should I sell it? Make some coin? Put back into the channel? Keep it as my new daily and retire, the old E39. On that, she's going well. She's a great car. She's a good, solid little rig. She keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. All right, so I don't know if you guys have seen this one yet. This is the shell that I picked up for free off a subscriber. It's going to be the AC Schnitzer shell. So I don't know whether or not I'm going to cut the Schnitzer up and use it in this or vice versa, but at the end of the day, I needed a good shell to put all the Schnitzer parts into, and this thing is rust free, dead straight, no hail damage, no nothing. It is missing a fair bit of gear in it, but I kind of figure that everything that this is missing, the AC Schnitzer has. So that should work out rather well. I can rebirth the old Schnitzer and get her back on the road again. So, and over here she is, the little 318i E36 sedan that again I got off a subscriber for cheap, only 500 bucks I paid for this little thing. Now, again, this is one of those cars that I just don't know what to do with. Do I strip it? Do I sell it? Do I part it? It's got a manual gearbox in it, which I really do want to put into my wide body convertible. So that's probably going to happen. And then this thing will end up being a little 4-cylinder automatic. I might do a quick respray on it and tidy it up a bit and try and make some coin. But at the end of the day, it's probably just going to be a parts car for me. And the trailer. So yeah, you guys have seen this. There's me coupe, all cut up and sitting on top of the trailer. So that's how big she's going to be. Can't wait to get into this. But yeah, that is a project for another day, unfortunately. There's a lot of work involved in that, and I just don't have the time at the moment with all of this stuff going on up here. So yeah, 2 more cars to check out. Let's go look at them. All right, so next car in the lineup, the Burgundy E39. It's still for sale, boys and girls. I don't know what's going on. You've seen this thing in the last videos. It's good to go. It's such a good little car. Low kilometers. The interior is clean and tidy. Everything works. I don't know why it's just not selling. But, such is life. All right, and then we have, there she is, my beautiful 740 IL E38, 95 model, 93,000 kilometers on the clock. You've seen me do the engine conversion, or the engine swap, I should say. This thing is beautiful. I actually have it running well now too. So it turned out it was just a bad injector in number 8 cylinder, which has been rectified now, and she starts, runs, drives. She will be back up in the workshop again soon, so we can put the lowered springs in it, just to squat it down a little bit, and then she will be registered. What do you guys think? Should I put the lower lip on? Either the AC Schnitzer lower lip on the front bumper or the Alpina one. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think this girl here needs to have the front fattened up. But look at her. Oh, she's such a pretty girl. So yeah, that's all the cars that are out and about. What do you think of the new Merc? Should I keep it? Should I sell it? I don't know. I'm of two minds. It's a great little car. Drives really, really well. Low Ks. The thing looks hot as. But I'm a BMW boy, as you know, so I'm thinking I'm probably just going to on-sell it, move it on to somebody else, let some young kid drive it around and have a bit of fun. One car I didn't show is the wide body. It is still there, still wrapped up, still undercover, still not going anywhere. But, you know, it is what it is. Long-term project, that one. Look at these. Look at that pretty girls. Hey. Anyway, look, you lot know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. If you haven't already, go and check me out at Instagram at Shannon's Garage Australia for any updates and all that kind of jazz. Now, I have heard you guys. You have been, you know, DMing me and all that kind of jazz. The car show will go ahead. Hopefully within the next month or two. I've got a few things to sort out here with the house and the workshop and all of that. A few personal issues and a few personal dramas, but, you know, we're getting through it all. So, look, I will have the car show here. So stay tuned. Keep an eye on Instagram, and I'll give you updates on that shortly. But for now, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And remember, stay cool.